Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Lady Clare Kitchen. Today I'm excited to share this delicious homemade meal with you guys.
A gentle smile begins to bloom. Aprons tied and hearts awake.
First, I slice the chicken breast into medium-sized pieces and set it aside.
Simple flavors, fresh and bright, turning moments into life.
Next, so I will go ahead and prepare a batter by cracking these 2 eggs in a large bowl.
Every dish reflects the glory. Take a breath, come gather near.
And I will go ahead and add 200 ml of sparkling water in it and whisk them together. Then I added 4 tablespoons of flour. I'll go ahead and whisk it. I added 2 teaspoons of salt and whisk together. I whisk everything together until the batter becomes smooth. Then I added a black pepper in it and whisked it.
Fresh tomatoes, herbs so green.
I will go ahead and chop this fresh dill. It is good to consume because it gives our body a small amount of calcium, iron, and vitamin C. I will go ahead and add it. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your kindness means a lot to me. So I will go ahead and add the chicken seasoning and whisk them together. I will go ahead and add the sliced chicken into the batter. I will mix them together, making sure that every chicken is well coated. After mixing them together, I have to leave it for 20 minutes to marinate. While waiting for the chicken to marinate, I will go ahead and prepare my sauce by cutting this 1 onion into pieces. I will go ahead and chop these 3 fresh tomatoes for the sauce. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing for more delicious recipes and new videos. Thank you so much for your support. I will be using 3 cloves of garlic to make this sauce, so I will go ahead and chop them into pieces.
Every day begins anew. Welcome to Lady Clare Kitchen, where every meal is made with love. Every flavor tells a story, blessings flowing from above. Mix it gently, stir it slow. Watch your confidence now grow. Every kitchen has a song, and here is where we all belong. Welcome to Lady Clare Kitchen, cooking dreams for everyone. Every smile.
First, I will heat the pan and add my vegetable oil and the butter.
Thank
Then I will add my chopped onions and stir until the onions fragrance comes up. I will add the garlic and stir everything together. I will fry the onion and garlic for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are soft and fragrant. Now I will add the spinach and stir everything together. I will cook the spinach 2 to 3 minutes until it softens. Now I will add the chopped tomatoes and stir everything together. I will go ahead and add the tomato juice and stir everything together. Now I will add the basil.
Sunshine fills the room. A gentle smile begins to bloom.
I will add salt according to my taste.
Aprons tied and hearts
Then I will cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. The sauce is now ready. I will go ahead and heat my pan, add the vegetable oil and butter. Then I will begin to fry my chicken.
Every recipe tells a story. Every dish reflects the glory. Breathe, take a breath, come gather near. There's happiness waiting here. With every stir and every spoon, we'll sing along this cozy tune. Welcome to Lady Clare Kitchen, where every meal is made with love. A little kindness, a little passion.
Once the chicken has cooked for 2 to 3 minutes, I will flip it over to cook the other side.
Recipe feels just right. Come and cook, come and smile. Stay with us a little while. Welcome to Lady Clare Kitchen. Home is where the flavors shine. Fresh tomatoes, herbs so green, the sweetest colors ever seen. Golden butter, warm delight, making every table bright. Every simmer, every flame, love is always the secret name.
Now the chicken is nicely fried. I will remove it from the pan and continue with the remaining pieces using the same process.
Little moments, memories grow. In every dish we proudly show. One small recipe at a time. Cooking joy in every
Now I will go ahead and fry the remaining chicken.
Lady Clare Kitchen, where every meal is made with love. A little kindness, a little passion. Blessings falling from above. From the first taste to the last bite, every recipe feels just right. Come and cook, come and smile. Stay with us a little while. Welcome to Lady Clare Kitchen. Home is where the flavors shine.
The chicken looks so juicy, golden and delicious.
Gentle laugh around the table, sharing more than words are able. Every season brings new dreams. Every recipe gently gleams from breakfast sun to evening skies. Love is found in every
Now I will serve the chicken with the delicious sauce and rice.
bite. Together we can laugh.
Look at how delicious this meal looks. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section.